Today, we're diving into something really exciting: importing data directly from a web page into Power BI. Let's get started. Welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane. With our dedicated MadeEasy team, we're here to simplify software learning. Dive into our comprehensive video tutorials for a smooth learning experience. First, we need to grab the data from the web. Many websites are designed with tables, and Power BI can typically pull data from these tables. For this video, we'll use the list of FIFA World Cup finals page on Wikipedia as our data source. I've already opened the Wikipedia page for the list of FIFA World Cup finals. Since we're already on the page, we can copy the URL directly from the address bar. I'm clicking at the top of the screen, selecting the URL, and pressing Ctrl+C to copy it. Now, let's head back to Power BI. With Power BI open, we can import data from any web page. From the Home tab, click on Get Data. When the Get Data dialog box opens on the left side, click on the last category, Other. On the right side, select Web, and then click the Connect button to open the From Web dialog box. You'll see two options, Basic and Advanced. Advanced allows you to specify URL parts, previews, command timeout, or HTTP request header parameters. By default, Basic is selected. We're going to paste the URL into the box here. Paste the URL we copied earlier, then click OK. If you're connecting to a website for the first time, you may be prompted to provide authentication details to access the data. Most public websites, like Wikipedia, don't require authentication. If prompted with an Access Web Content screen, select Anonymous, which means no credentials are required to view the content on that site, and click Connect. It will briefly show that it's establishing a connection, and once connected, the Navigator window will open. This Navigator is different from the ones we saw for Excel workbooks and Access databases. In Navigator, you can see multiple tables from the web page. You can preview these tables in either Table View or Web View by clicking on the tabs at the top. Under HTML tables, you'll see all the tables Power BI detected on the web page. After HTML tables, you'll see suggested tables. These table suggestions depend entirely on the web page and the Power BI algorithm. The text shows all the text detected from the website. In the future, Power BI may include other types of data here as well. On the bottom left side of the Navigator window, there's a button named Add Table Using Example. This is used for adding custom tables, but we'll cover that in another video. A link is provided in the description. Let's take a look at the tables available. We're looking for the tables with relevant data about the FIFA World Cup finals. You don't have to check the checkbox in front of the table. You can simply click on the table to see the preview data. Some tables contain incomplete data. In that case, you may need to grab data from multiple tables and merge it later in using Power Query. Let's select the tables that have the information we need. For this video, we are selecting List of FIFA World Cup Finals. Once you've selected the tables, click the Load button in the lower right-hand corner. Power BI will now import the data. You'll see a loading dialog box as it evaluates the information. With the data loaded, let's take a look at it in Power BI. In the data pane on the right, you'll see the tables we imported. Let's expand these tables and check the data. We might need to clean it up a bit, but we'll tackle that in a later step. And there you have it. We've successfully imported data from a web page into Power BI. In our next video, we'll dive into cleaning and transforming this data, so stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching.